Today's tutorial will be running you through how to properly set up your ATMEL programmer for use with your Mait boards. This video will cover installation of drivers and setting up the ATMEL software to load Mait firmware correctly. You will need your ATMEL programmer as well as access to a Windows computer or laptop. Before we can begin, first we need to ensure that we have the correct drivers installed for our ATMEL programmer. These can be found in the Mait Dropbox under IntelliTrol ATMEL USB driver install package. Plug in your ATMEL programmer at this stage. An LED light on the board programmer will be illuminated to indicate that it is powered up. Double-click on the file named driver-atmel-bundle and allow it to install the ATMEL drivers. After this, go into IntelliTrol ATMEL AVR Dude and double-click on the latest version of Zardig, which is 2.8 as of writing. A pop-up window should now appear. Select Options, then click List All Devices. In the drop-down menu that has now been populated, find the device named AVR-ISP Mark II and click on it. In the menu below the one we were just using, scroll through the options until you find IIB USB-Win32 and then press Replace Driver. After this is completed, you can now open the ATMEL USB program, which you can find under IntelliTrol Utilities. It's recommended that you create a shortcut on your desktop for this program for ease of access by clicking on the program once, holding down Alt, and dragging the icon to your desktop, then letting go. Once you've opened the ATMEL program, click on the Edit tab near the top left-hand corner, then select Use AVR Dude. After that, click Edit again and select Set AVR Dude Path. This will open a pop-up window. You'll need to navigate to IntelliTrol ATMEL AVR Dude in the Mait Dropbox and select the avrdude.exe file, then press Open. With these steps being completed, you have now successfully installed all necessary drivers to be able to fully utilize your ATMEL programmer. In part 2, we will cover how to use your ATMEL programmer to install firmware onto your Mait board.